Hello students, how are you? Fine. Hope that you are enjoying. Okay, we have completed our all chapters related to periodic 1. Now we are going through a revision process, in which revision process we have to start exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, but in exercise 1.1 there is a not too much difficulties you will face, because almost all the questions related to this chapter is based, this exercise is based on your class 5th. Okay, without wasting time, I am today taking I am sample paper in which I have been taking two sequence. I am taking from 7 question. These are related to your KYA. In KYA, this is related to your syllabus, chapter 1 to 5. You have to tell the next two sequences. For to find these types of questions, students, in your class 5th you have done nothing like that. But in this, how will you do it? First of all, you will write the all alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are total 26 alphabets. You all know about that. Whole this sequence is depend on these alphabets. You have given AX. The first one is A and the X. Then D and W. A and X and D and W. Next is G and V. G and V. J and U. G and V. J and U. J and U. What you have observed? You have observed anything new in that? Have you observed anything special in that? Have you observed? No? Okay. Then first is starting from A and the second is X. Okay. The next one is D. After the gap of these two, leave B and C comes to D, and from we are moving to backward, and from X to W, A to X, D to W. Then again leave 2, E and F. The next one is G. Here is next one back. Before W what comes? Yes, V. Next G, then J. And now what will be the next? Leave this K and L. The result will be M. The result will be M. And here T. The result will be T. M T. In these types of questions, you have to just observe your alphabets. You have to just observe how to solve, how to use the series of these alphabets. Okay, students. Suppose I am giving something new. Can you guess this thing? I am giving you something new. If I write ABZ, then I'll write CDY, then I write EFX, then I write GHW. Can you tell the next one? Can you? Okay, sorry. In this you have to tell the next two. One more. O. No, leave the 2. Yes, leave the 2. Cross this one and this one. Take it is P. P. And one more back. What comes before T? S. This is P. S. Now same. Any doubt, students? Okay. Now students, in this way A, B, Z, C, D, Y, E, F, X and G, H, W. Now we are taking AB. We are taking AB, and with AB we are taking Z. Next two we are taking CD, and here we are taking Y. Next EF. We are taking EF, and from that backside X. Then we are taking GH. Next to IJ and what? V. IJ, V. In this way we can use that. And the next one is choose odd one. 7,000, 8,008, 9,000, 4,000 and 6,000. Which is odd one? So easy, students. This one is the odd one. Can you tell me the reason? The lots might be there are 3 zeros, there are 3 zeros, there are 3 zeros, there are 3 zeros, but there are 2 zeros. Or the answer might be it is ending with 0, 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 it is ending with 8. Okay, in its unit place, tens place and unit place, tens place and hundred place we have zeros, but its unit place we have eights. Okay, 8, sorry. Now students, what is that? We are starting from 2, 3, 5, 7. That might be. Here might be. This might be the wrong question. Might be I have written the wrong. Okay, I will confirm it. 2, 5, 7, 11, 15, 17, 18. It would be 1 and it would be 13. Here would be 13. Is that clear? Any doubt, students? No? Students, I think you have no problem in that. In this way, we have completed the section A. 1 to 5s are too easy, and questions based on KYA I have discussed. Okay, students. Now comes to the next. Now the exercise 1.1. What you have to do in 1.1, students? Exercise 1.1 is based on our international system, Indian and international system. Okay, students, whenever I check the exams, whenever I just check the questions paper answer sheets, I found this mistake. Insert comma suitably and write names according to international system. This is 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 9, 2. You have to write this in international system. You have to write this is in international system. 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 9, 2. So international system, how we write the international system? We start from the right and count the 3 ones, tens, 100. Then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then million, 10 million and 100 million. So we will put the commas. We will put the comma. The one comma will be here. Another will be here. Now you have to read it. What is that? 78. You will read it. 78 78 million 78 million. Any doubt? million. This is 921. This would be 921,000. 921,000, and this is 92. This is 92. So how can we write in international system? Yes, we will start from the right, count the first ones. These three will be treated as thousand, and this will be treated as million. And nowadays, due to COVID, you all find the figures, all these figures in the counting. Is that clear, students? Next one is, students, if we have to write the same in international system, Indian system, this is our international. And if we talk about the Indian, how will you write it in Indian? Can you tell me? Same. Count 3, 2, 2. This will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So how will we write it? 7 crore, 89, 7 crore 89 lakh, then 21,000, 7 crore 89 lakh, 21,000, 92. Any doubt, students? So these are two national and international system, means Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Still you have any doubt, students? Any confusion, students? Any doubt, any confusion? No? Students, are you listening me or not? Okay, students. This is our exercise 1.1, which is based on Indian and international system. If you have any doubt, any confusion, you can ring me, you can call me, you can contact me anytime. Okay. Thank you, students. Thanks a lot.